When the temperature drops and your heater stops, who do you call? Hutchinson Mechanical. Are you shopping for a rooftop unit for your business or facility? Hutchinson Mechanical, your trusted partner in Northeast Pennsylvania, offers top-notch Heil brand rooftop units. These Heil brand RTUs, a division of Carrier, are designed to keep your workspace comfortable and your costs down. With a Hutchinson Mechanical rooftop unit, you'll experience top-notch customer service, great pricing, and a 10-year warranty. You'll be investing in reliability and efficiency for sure. Our Heil brand units are praised for their durability, low install, and maintenance costs. They are the smart choice for any business owner or facility manager looking to optimize their heating and cooling systems. Why choose Hutchinson Mechanical? Because we understand the value of your investment. We provide quality, affordability, and a service you can rely on no matter the season. Plus, our expert team is just a call away to ensure your contracting experience is hassle-free. Remember, if the temperature drops and your heater stops, call Hutchinson. Check out our website at www.hutchinson-mechanical.com or dial 570-793-1344 to learn more about our pricing for your rooftop unit replacement. Upgrade today and experience the Hutchinson difference.